The content of Sri Annamaya's poetry spans the devotional as well as the socio-cultural. This kriti, Itara Dharma Mulandu, is one where the poet speaks about the virtues of pure bhakti, free from rules and taboos. According to him, being truly devoted to Sri Venkateshwara is the only dharma, and in comparison to this, all other dharmas pale into insignificance. Annamaya exemplifies this by referring to various stories from the Puranas, such as the one in which Sri Rama performs the last rites of Jatayu, a scavenging bird socially considered untouchable, and also willingly accepts the fruit Shabari offers him after tasting them herself first. How is it possible, asks Annamaya, to offer only untouched food as Naivedyam when all the world is nothing but his prasadam? Set to Ragam Mohana Kalyani and Talam Khandachapu, here is a unique composition of Annamaya, Itara Dharma Mulandu.
Namaskaram. I have been blessed to be in association with Radhika ji and Team Mohana since my stay in Dubai. I participated 4 seasons in Dubai in the Guru Vandanam, and this year unfortunately I could not make it to Dubai, but I had the blessing to learn all the songs of Annamacharya online, which was a beautiful and spiritual experience, and I could participate today in the Chennai edition of Guru Vandanam. It is a big blessing to be a part of Radhika ji and Team Mohana always in this musical journey. May Lord Venkateshwara bless them most and more in this journey. Namaskar.
Namaskaram everyone, I am Akshaya from Hyderabad. Thank you Team Mohana for giving me this wonderful opportunity to participate in Guru Vandanam 2024 in Chennai. Team Mohana is a very good curriculum which follows and makes everyone learn Annamacharya Kirtanas and many more. This year Annamacharya Kirtanas were wonderful, tuned by Vasarla Kanya Kumari ji. Thank you Team Mohana again for giving me this wonderful opportunity. Thank you.
Namaste to all. My name is Ramadirayan. I am the part of Guru Vandanam. I enjoyed with learning of my gurus Maya Unni ma'am, Indra Kopatri ma'am and Pavani ma'am. I blessed to learn about Annamacharya Kirtana, and I am first time I am singing the Annamacharya in Guru Vandanam stage. Thank you.